Pan look too, look at that, some of them. But not even a laugh. This is no zinger. This is a flinger.
Show me no all like Papa P, like fuck up P. Heavy when me roll up, y'all tap a pre. Jaws off a Japanese, beat up a property. Me no fi jokey like a maca tree. Chew me ting a go and good, she want shakka D. Me girl a follow like the man a walk a galley. My wife.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tyra and I'm back here again with another video. Yeah, so today I'm gonna do KFC Mukbang. And why I'm gonna do mukbang, yeah? I'm gonna talk about some artists that smash our pass. I wanted to do this challenge with someone, but I don't have nobody to do it with, so I do it with myself. Right, guys? Yeah, so today is election day, and this is what I'm doing for election day. I am not voting. Thank you. Yes, so here I have my zinger. And here I have my corn. And this is my coleslaw. Most people don't like coleslaw, but I never liked it when I'm much younger, but I like it now. Yeah guys, so this is a zinger big box where you get a 1-piece chicken with some sloppy fries for $1,050. Anyway guys, today I'm home. During election, I'm not voting. I mean, I vote for. That makes sense. So this is what I'm doing on election day. Enjoying my chicken and my zinger. Because I'm busy want to vote, but I'm not vote. Because guys, what am I vote for? Right now I want 50 bags of cement. That's the only way I go for it. 50 bags of cement, and then take off the $35,000 when they put on my market fee. Say I owe that during the time of COVID-19 when the market was locked and I was home. So until then take off the 35,000, get away. Vote! Until then take off that 35,000 and buy 50 bags of cement. Then we can vote. But otherwise than that, no voting for me. So guys, they at the KFC. Want some? Who want some? Who want some? This man is not too late. Or not too late. Yeah guys, come. I'm going to do an artist smash or pass. Jamaican male artist. I didn't get to ask anybody any question on IG or on WhatsApp because this just comes sudden. I'm just going to make the video today because my election I'm not vote, I'm not nothing to do. Everybody else gonna leave me. If I dump on the road, I'm gonna blow all up. No, I do so. Now vote for my channel, Bianca Entertainment, guys. Please go down and subscribe to my channel, like before watching because it's the golden rule, and spam at my comment section. But guys, I wanna love more the zinger or the chicken. I love the zinger. I love ribs. So I'm gonna get my zinger big box. My favorite corn. Yeah guys, so now I'm going to do an artist smash or pass. So, I'm going to pick out the artist myself because I don't have nobody to help me pick them out. And as I said, the video was sudden, so I never get to ask anybody any questions through my DMs. Basically, I'm just going to think of an artist and smash and pass him, right? So the first artist is Daxx Cartel. Oh my god. Me a smash Cartel. Me a smash him. Me a smash him dead. Yeah, tell him to miss that. Me a smash Cartel. I have smash Cartel. I'm favorite artist. I love him. But too love him. Yeah guys, so after I smash Cartel now, I'm gonna sizzler. What do I do with sizzler? No. Now pass sizzler, come. And then you go with them. You want to see? You want the rifle? This is the money. Since I have too much rifle, you know. Me a pass sizzler, me a pass him. I did done, yeah. I don't know, one of my favorite. I have to smash I don't know. Smash I don't know. What do you mean? I don't have to get smashed. Him have to get smashed by me. But most, I don't know, I love you. I tell me a little bit more. So guys, first and cold, and then don't taste good. The next artist is gonna be Intense. Jesus guys. Pass. Intense. Can't do Intense. No, not Intense. Now, the next artist will be Alkaline. Alkaline. Pass. Alkaline. Oh dear. Before I take Alkaline, I'm going to take Massacre. I want to say Massacre. Smash. Me and smash Massacre. Massacre have to get smashed by me. Beanie Man, smash, bomba. Going to kill that pass. Don't you? Yeah, I'm doing but I'm pass up on that one, isn't it? Man, already I got smash Beanie, sorry. This is not the TV, this is Bianca Entertainment.
I am the one, the way your son don't need the...
Guys, enjoy. So guys. Oh guys. Next on is a Javi. Javi Nani, right over there so. Why? Javi girlfriend. I'm sorry, you know. But I'm gonna do this to spite me. I smash Javi. What do you mean? I have to smash Javi. Right here. So Miss me, I beg you, don't come fight me. I'm gonna take a one smash and bye. Anyway, Govy. My office smash Govy. My office smash Govy. Govy. My dear father. Him smash long time. Him just anointed. Yeah, girl. Look at them put no cheese man. Then I'm going to change this with the cheese. Guys, yeah. Look here. Me carry it back in. Look at that, some of them. But not even a laugh. This is no zinger. This is a flinger. What the hell is this something over the pan it? No sir. Let it scarce. Why is it too dry? People look at ketchup. And a good time. So guys, this is what I'm doing for election day. I'm not voting. Just to let you know again if you want to know. I know I'm probably not here because I know what I'm not voting about. One next set of people said they're not voting for them. Come down in a car. Power, shower. I said, watch them. Oh, okay. Guys, I have a new artist so that I've got the name. Well, I'm past. I'm going to call him name. Oh. Yeah, guys, so I could remember my name, so we got to ask him. Name Skilly Ben. Oh, you know him? Him bad. Him sing the song when name Mr. Universe. I'm thinking of the cartel, you know. Yeah, Skilly Ben, I smash him. I just know I smash him. I smash Skilly Ben. I smash the zinger too. Right? Love zinger. Guys, I really want to make a video too long, you know. So, I'm going to smash. I'm going to name one more artist. Which should I name now? daxx. Yeah. I pass Daxx. I don't know what everybody's in love with. Daxx. Tata. I get one of my friends, but I don't want you. I don't know, I don't feel Daxx. I feel Daxx. I don't know why, but I feel Daxx. Guys, I know I said, well, we shouldn't stay with me a little longer for me to eat some of the food. But obviously, I have to wrap up the video now because it get too long. I don't want it too long. I don't want it to get too drawn out and too boring. So, oh, I just remember one artist named Popcorn. Hey, I'm smashing Popcorn. I'm smashing you, Popcorn. I'm smashing you. What are you saying? I forget to smash Popcorn. Later. So I'm gonna just wrap up this video right now. Guys, my next video would be about how to remove copyright claim from your videos, okay? So that would be my next video. I guess I want to do that today, but I don't know. So guys, I would like you to go and subscribe, like and share, comment. And tell a friend to tell another friend about this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for always supporting. This is your girl Tara, and I'm out.